Hi, I'm Lane Morgan, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers located in Douglas, Georgia. As we approach July 4th, celebrating 250 years of our nation's independence, I'm grateful to live in the best country in the entire world, the United States of America. At Renown, we build heavy option custom trailers. We've always said, if you can dream it, we can build it. In this video, we are showcasing an amazing heavy option trailer that was built for an awesome organization called Tunnels to Towers. As you can see, this is not your normal, just ordinary trailer. We wanted to show you what we are capable of doing here at Renown. We've always came up with innovative and creative ideas to try to stay ahead of our competition. This trailer has a bathroom in it, sleeping and living quarters, everything you can think of, from coffee machines to TVs on the outside to even a walk-in freezer right inside of the trailer. But here at Renown, it's not just about trailers. I'm surrounded by an amazing team, a work family with unmatched experience that God has brought together. For 10 years, we've built quality from the ground up, and our success comes from both our craftsmanship and our mission. We aim to be a blessing to people, making the name of Jesus renowned by living it out. So enjoy your 4th of July with a grateful heart, and if you need a trailer, we would love to serve you. Visit us at renowncargotrailers.com or give us a call at 888-287-3954. And we hope everyone has a happy Independence Day. Be safe out there, enjoy your family, and be grateful for living in the best country in the whole entire world. Let's go, USA. Y'all know the rest. Until then, be blessed.